And mine is just to encourage farmers to join the circle. We increase our production and KNTC is assuring them of a market. KNTC picks up this rice and markets it to government institutions. So we are here to assure you that we'll get orders, we'll mill the rice and we'll offtake it and market it on behalf of the government.
We want to assure them that the rice that is available will all be bought by Kenya National Trading Corporation and that payments will be due as per the agreement with the corporation and they will be without undue delay so that farmers get a fair return of their investment. Again, just to assure that the rice that is here does not also compete with the rice that is imported because it caters for a totally different market.
As they have promised, is that within a month they would have mopped up all what we have as MRGM and payments shall be done within 30 days without delay, so that within the 30 days we shall have processed what we have to accommodate whatever is going to be harvested for the Ratoon 2 and the double crop.